Hello my friends, as you can see today I've changed a little bit the ropes because on the last video I had over here two big bunnies here and I didn't make very well because when I descend the ropes doesn't get down, so I didn't reach down, so I jump on the I have down there I have a little window, so I jump on it through that window. So today I have these cables and I make a little bit bunny ears, and this is Fernando. Hola Fernando. Fernando, this fat ugly. Okay, now I just finished to wash this wall, so now I have to fix it. This is my wall, like this one and this one is mine, because my teammates doesn't like this wall because it's a little bit high, so it's mine. Okay, so let's fix this. So I just put my harness on and I went for Fernando to put my chair. Why I put Fernando to put my chair? Because one time on the week, every week, Fernando put his ID the wrong way, you know, and that's why every time I see him, put my chair, put my chair, put my chair, so he can practice, so he can put his ID in the right way, you know. And I have no way to do that, only by this. Now the other thing, today I bought these sunglasses. These are very good sunglasses, and of course very expensive, 45 euros. When my boss will hear these prices, he will kill me. So normally I don't know if I should tell him or not. Fernando, póneme la silla. Tranquilo, respira. Look at this. Look at this. This is a dead guy. Look at this. 2 stairs and he is dead. So what we have here? We have some cement, as you can see. We have some liquid, because this type of wall, the cement will not be very good, so I have to put this liquid and of course water to fix my cement. So let's see how Fernando will put my chair. Okay, he has to learn. Let's see. ¿Ah? ¿Cómo? ¿Para la otra esquina? Izquierda. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Estamos bien? Vale. No, eso no por allí. No, eso por otro lado. Eso otro lado y la otra en otro lado. Eso, Fernando. Eso, vale. También acuerda un poquito más para allá porque tengo que hacer algo, reparaciones por otro lado también. Solo un poquito. Nada, dejamos. Eso, ya está. Ya eso es bastante porque no se va más para allá. Eso. No. Gracias. ¿Me das tú la cosa, no? Respira, Fernando, respira. Quítate. No pasa nada. Se me bajo. Okay, now let's put myself some safety line before I jump. Okay. Now okay, I will put myself some more safety, as you can see. As some of my Mexican friends say, safety first. Okay. One subscriber of mine, one comment on my video, I don't know which video, that this is totally illegal because I don't go down with my chair in my ass. I don't know what that means, because I have my ID normally attached on my harness, as you can see right here. So why do I have my chair in my ass? You know, because my ass is so tiny. So why should I put my chair in my ass? And if I put my chair in my ass, why does it legal? Dame la cosa. Ahora Fernando me va a dar la cosa y nos vamos. Es mío, es mío.
¿No te has puesto traje de agua?
¿Cómo?
¿No te has puesto traje de agua?
¿Por qué te piensas que va a llover? Acho, tengo una araña dentro de la gafa.
La veo andando por ahí, ¿no?
La maricona. Sí. Bueno, no pasa nada. Dame más.
Cubito de agua.
Cubito de agua. Mío. Ok. Now, my tools. Espera, Fernando, espera. My tools are
Creo que
all
Julita grita.
the place. ¿Por qué me grita, Juli? Ce, Juli? Cum îl desfac? Păi tu vrei să-l faci de la început? Și cum ți s-a desfăcut din partea aia? Desfăcut și tot nodul? Păi și vrei să-ți explic acum cum se face nodul ăla? Păi e imposibil, John. Trebuie să fie două, da. Ia și fă coborârea asta de aici, prima de la perete. Du gatul cât mai aproape de perete și fă-o pe asta. Și las-o pe aia. Că pentru asta ai coarda asta de deja pusă aici. Că e aceeași treabă, ori de-o faci pe aia, ori de-o faci pe asta, nu? Ia și fă-o pe asta, John. Și lasă aia că fac eu coarda. Dame la cosa, Fernando. ¿Qué pasa? Nada, déjalo. Déjalo.
No, que pesa, digo, este.
Ah, vale, vale. Hombre, si pesa, dámelo. Es mío.
Tienes un pelín de cemento ya.
Vale. Someone might think why I take so much cement because
líquido.
I need it.
¿La mochila?
Eso, gracias. Y la mochila también, por favor. Fernandito, si se puede. Because I need it, because look, I have here all the fixing and... Gracias, ya está.
¿Lo guante?
Dame los guantes también si quiere, Fernando. Está por allí, ¿no? Dame esa negra.
¿Qué tienes esto?
Eso, dame eso porque los otros son por otro lado.
Calentito.
Muy bien, gracias, ya
está.
está. Vete, ayúdalo a Julie, chacho, que eso no le sale la cosa bien. Y pone, Fernando, pone lo que se cuelga donde lo he dicho yo, porque ha estropeado un nudo y no sabe hacerlo. Y no lo haga, que se pone en primera bajada de aquí,
Por donde tú estás...
por donde me he bajado yo, ¿vale?
Aquí está el nudo aquel de aquí.
Sí, ha quitado la oreja de conejo de allí y no sabe hacerlo otra vez. Okay, my friends, where are we? Oh yeah, over here. So we have to fix this wall. Now, first we do, by the way, this old paint is very difficult to fix because nothing sticks on it. I don't know what kind of paint is this, but it's very evil and ugly paint. So that's why we need this type of liquid to fix this wall. Here, not supposed to be like very nice, but we try. So let's see. Now, my friends, why I'm doing this? Yes, I have to leave a little bit the liquid, to leave it a little bit more time, but as you all know, always we are in a hurry and we don't have time to let him sit a little bit. So I will give it like this and that's it. Now, my friends, last week, you know how you have like very good days, then you have some bad days, and then you have some type of days that will screw all the week for you. Well, last week I had one of these days, really incredible ugly day. I don't know, Monday I think. Okay, I was working so hard that my hands were hurting me while I'm breathing. I don't know if some of you feel this thing sometime, but I was so tired that my hands was, I mean, when I'm breathing I could feel my hands. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying right now, but it was incredible. So I get home very tired. Of course my son doesn't give a shit if I'm tired or not. He wants me to play with him, of course. And as you all know, my son is autistic, so he doesn't speak, but he tries. So my wife teach him something like por favor, which means please. For a normal kid, saying please is not a big deal. Also for his parents, it's not a big deal. But for me, because my son doesn't speak, when my son say please, I was like dead meat. So when he say please, I will play with him. So normally I could not move. I was in like a coma or something like this. My son, he was like, give me a kiss please, and start running with him and stuff like this. I was dead and I was running, you know. Okay, but I sleep very well that night, so it was okay. So the next day in the morning I thought, Jesus, now, because yesterday was a really very bad day, now I think I can manage every day you throw at me, you know, because normally when you have a really bad day you think what doesn't kill you make you stronger. Well, and I was like, Jesus, throw me something, you know what I mean? And of course, like always, Jesus listened to me and gave me worst day than Monday, you know. So when I saw that, because normally Monday I was washing things, I was washing walls, I was doing my job, and I was so tired and I was so, you know, so I thought worse than this, there is nothing worse than this. Well, next day was the worst. I was washing with water and here starts a big wind, you know, not very big so I can descend and go home, but a wind like cold wind. And I was washing with water and my muscles was like, because of the cold, my muscles, my hands doesn't want to work properly. So I was like, thank you Jesus, thank you, thank you. I thought you cannot throw at me with worse days, but I was mistaken. Now Jesus, if you are so kind, throw me a worse day. Worse than this, it's impossible. And of course, because sometimes I think I am very good friend with Jesus, you know, this is my pal. Of course, Jesus was like, very nice, very nice. Let me show you what the worst day is. So next day was even like incredible. I was so tired. I didn't sleep very well because of the tired, you know. I'm not very rich, so I didn't have money to buy some whiskey so I can drink, so I can relax, so I can, you know, stuff like men do. I mean, come on, you know, this is really natural, normal. So I was tired because of the 2 days that I had before. So here comes the third day, washing, and I reach a wall that was the worst wall in my life. Like that one over there, that wall. And that was the worst day of my life. Why? Because while I washing that wall, the big stones start to fall down. The people are screaming over there because they heard, sorry, all kind of sounds of stones falling down, and they are yelling at me, what are you doing? No, why you break this? No, you son of, you know. and I was just doing my job. So I called my boss and I asked him, dude, is something wrong with it? But oh, you keep doing your job, don't worry about them, they are maricones and stuff like this, you know. So I was doing my job, like always, very happy, you know. And I thought in my head, like my brains, I thought that Jesus is listening to me, you know. I am his best buddy. So I asked him for $1 million. Of course, this time Jesus was not here, because maybe someone just prayed for a worse day, so he had a job to do, not give me my money, so give this guy a very worse day. So of course, and I thought in my brains, look at this piece of crap, look at this. So I thought in my brains, you know, because every time when I have a very bad day, the next day is worse, the next day is worse, and another day it's worse, and again the next day worse. So I thought, nah, why bother, you know, if I cry, you know, why? So I get home, and with my little power that remains in my body, I play with my son, you know, until I fall asleep, which is not sleep, it's almost coma, you know. So I start to see the good side of everything of this, you know. Now let me give you an example, okay? In the morning was cold outside, okay? So I put my water robe, so I dress myself very for really cold, okay? In half an hour, here comes the sun. Now I finish to eat, I go out, and I see clouds, and I thought in my brain, today will be a very cold day. So I put all the robe that I have, and check out this sun, check it out, check out this sun, this is incredible. And now I'm all sweating, you know. This is like a joke, like a very big joke. So why bother? Why? I will just do my job, sweating and stuff, you know, listen to some music, relaxing a little bit, and everything, my friends, will be okay. Now, some subscribers of mine just reminded me that I cry too much, I bitch too much. This is a little bit true, you know. I'm like a, you know, a crying baby. Some of them, of my subscribers, told me that I should stop talking. Well, my friend, if you see my channel from a long time, you will know that I always talk. So if you don't like, stop watching my videos, you know. If you do like, subscribe, leave a comment, and hit the like button, because I will keep talking, because this is not a channel with rope axis lessons, you know. If you want to learn something, you can go and make some rope axis school, You know, this is a channel about life, about myths, like, oh, the rope access job is the worst job in the world. It's the very dangerous job. I mean, look at me. What can it be dangerous? This is not dangerous, my friends. I have 2 brand new ropes. I have my rig. I have all my tools with me. If I need to, I don't know if you can see something. If I need to rescue myself, what can it be that dangerous? You know, this is not the channel like, oh, this is like rope access termination. Oh my God, this is so dangerous job. Do you see something dangerous over here? Because I don't. Because as you can see, me on my bar chair over here, it's not pencil, I know, it's not, it's handmade, but you know, it's like I'm relaxing on the beach, you know, on the sun, enjoying myself until tomorrow, until my boss will kill me because I spent 45 euros on these sunglasses. And of course he will not like this and he will kill me. So if on some point I will stop putting videos, that means my boss murdered me, you know. So if you see this, please, my friends, call the cops. Now, I was saying 5 seconds ago, look, the sun, and I am all sweat, and I am like this, and I am like that, and look at this wind. This wind just started right now. This is incredible. This is impossible. This cannot happen. Why wind? Why? Why wind? By the way, my friends, this is an industrial job, okay? So I don't have to make it like very beautiful. We have like 45 meters until on the ground, so nobody can see this. So I will make it like very fast because my boss was here in the morning and he said that, look, you have to hurry up. This is not the job that you should, you know, this doesn't work like, no, you have to hurry up and make the repair stuff like very fast. You don't have to, dude, really? I know how to do my job. Leave me alone. Yes, but you know, you have to work faster because you don't work too fast. You are a lazy asshole and you have to work faster. Thank you, my boss. Thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you. You just made my day worse than. Thank you. Because you see, my friends, I have a problem, you know. I wake up in the morning at 6 o'clock so I can go and I can be at office at 8 o'clock. So normally I drink my coffee 2 hours. Why? Because I'm always angry. I'm like a Hulk, you know. So drink my coffee 2 hours. Okay. Then I go to the office and now my boss knows, don't upset this guy because this guy is crazy and stupid, the both things, okay? But sometimes when he don't think too much, he comes at my site and he upsets me, okay? And after he upsets me, I cannot work anymore. I hate this. I hate it, and he knows it. But what can you do? He pays me. I say, yes, boss, yes, yes, boss, yes. That is what I'm going to do. Yes, boss. I will work very fast. I will be the fastest guy on the planet Mars, Jupiter. I will be the fastest guy on the planet Venus. Don't worry, boss. Forgive me, boss. Yes, I am very fast. Don't worry, I will finish this job in no time. And after he leaves, I am like, okay, let's work a little bit. Let's have a little bit of fun, you know, with my bar chair, which is not pencil, it's handmade, as I was saying. So, my friends, here are the things go. Now, I hope I bother you, I bored you enough. Now, as you can see, a guy over there who is passing the street. I don't know if you can see this. Oh no, it's not him. It's not him. Sorry, I apologize. So, as I was saying, I hope I bored you enough, you know. I hope you are already sleeping, because now I have to leave you, my friend. Okay, bye bye. And Fernando, but of course, and Papa Junior, and Scooby-Doo Papa, don't forget, safety first. Bye bye, my friends.